Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a refund on Monzo Bank. Alright, let's begin. Need to get a refund from Monzo. Whether it's due to a mistaken charge, a cancelled service, or a failed delivery, Monzo makes it relatively simple to request your money back. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process with less stress. First, launch the Monzo app on your phone. Head to the Home tab and locate the transaction in question. Tap on it to read the details. If you're expecting a refund from a merchant, keep in mind that refunds can take up to 14 days to process. If the refund hasn't arrived after that time, it's time to take action. To proceed, you'll need to provide the following: proof of the original receipt, proof that a refund is due, such as an email confirmation or message from the seller, or proof of cancellation for services or orders you no longer need. Once you gather that evidence, contact Monzo through the app by starting a chat with support. Submit your documentation and Monzo will open an investigation. Depending on the case, they may refund you immediately as a temporary credit or wait for a decision based on the evidence provided. Throughout the process, you'll receive in-app updates and messages via Monzo's support chat, so you're never left in the dark. And that's it, you now know how to request a refund from Monzo step by step. Whether it's a billing mistake or a scam, Monzo's tools make it simple to recover your money. Always remember to keep receipts and records, as they'll help make the process smoother. So that's basically how you can get a refund on Monzo Bank. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.